Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series of differential equation. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the formation of differential equation. How to form the differential equation if general solution is given. This in 2019 pattern syllabus, this portion is not there, but for 2015 pattern students, this formation of differential equation is there. Few problems we are going to discuss on formation of differential equation. This in formation of differential equation is directly the problems we are going to start, where the solution of the differential equations will be given and we have to form the differential equation. Now this is the differential equation is given to you, and here A is an arbitrary constant. A is an arbitrary constant. Here this is the equation of parabolas. Okay. This is the equation of parabolas. For various values of A, you will be getting the parabola. This family of parabola you can see. And how many arbitrary constants are there? Only one arbitrary constant, which is A. So here in formation of differential equation, what we have to do? We have to remove the arbitrary constant. And how many arbitrary constants are present? Only single arbitrary constant is present. Therefore, the single derivative is required to be taken. Only one derivative I have to take. What I am going to do, the differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx. Derivative of x is 1 with respect to x, and a is 4a multiplicative constant. So we have taken single derivative. I repeat, why did I take single derivative? Because single arbitrary constant, only one arbitrary constant is present. And once you take derivative, you will be getting the equation of dy by dx. Yes, using given equation and the equation obtained by taking derivative, we have two equations. Now, remove a from this equation. Means how to do it? You can put value of a here from this thing, or value of a here from this equation. So what I am going to do, the value of 4a is y square by x, value of 4a is what? Y square by x. So this value of 4a I am putting. Okay, this value of 4a I am putting. What is value of 4a? Y square by x. Is it? Now, here what we have done, we have removed a arbitrary constant. Now, this has become value of 4 is y square by x. This is the differential equation. This is the differential equation. You can shift this x on the left hand side, 2xy dy by dx is equal to y square. Or the y square you can shift on the left hand side also. So this is the differential equation. Remove a and get the differential equation. Only single arbitrary constant is present, single time derivative is required to be taken. A very simple problem. Next one. Here this is the equation of family of circles, center is 0, 0 and radius is r. I have to form the differential equation. So only single arbitrary constant is present. R is arbitrary constant. Okay, R is what? It is arbitrary constant. So only single derivative we have to take. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx with respect to x. And derivative of this is arbitrary constant. Derivative of constant is 0. Now remove 2 from here because 2 is common, divide by 2. This is the differential equation. This is differential equation of this solution, and this is differential equation of this solution. Here solution of the differential equation is given, and we are going to form the differential equation. Now this differential equation, how many arbitrary constants are present? Where a and b are arbitrary constant. A and b are arbitrary constant. Here two arbitrary constants are present. Therefore, two derivatives are required to be taken. Two derivatives are required. Derivative two times, two arbitrary constants are present. See, I am taking derivative of this with respect to x. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of b is constant, and derivative of 1 by x with respect to x is minus 1 by x square. Again take derivative with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of a is 0 because the free constant is there. Minus b is multiplicative constant, and derivative of minus 1 by x square is what? Minus 2. 1 by x square is what? 2 by x cube with minus sign, and minus minus will be plus. Okay. Derivative of minus 1 by x square is 2 by x. Now, three equations we have obtained. This is given equation, this is second equation, and this is third equation. Yes, from these three equations, I have to remove a and b. So you can solve by your method. For the removal of a and b, you can use your way. Now you can do like this: find value of a from here and put value of a here in this equation. Find value of b and put it there. So you can do like that. Okay, you can do like that. Then again, after removal of a and b, you will be getting the differential equation. But you can use that way also. But what I am going to do, I am going to use the determinant here, determinant method, because here these equations, see, are in linear form of a and b. Here a is present, b is present, a is present, b is present, a is present, b is present. Okay. A into 0 is like that. A into 0. So these are the linear equation in terms of a and b. In terms of a and b. Therefore, determinant I am using. I repeat, you can use your method also. Find value of a from here, put it there. Find value of b, put it there, and try to solve for 5-6 steps and get the answer. I am using determinant method. It's comparatively simple. See, the first of all, I am writing in the standard form. Ax is our equation 1. Equation 1 gives this same equation I am writing, equation 1 plus b by x minus y is equal to equation 2 implies that a into 1 minus 1 by x square b, shift dy by dx on the right hand side. I am going to use the determinant, that therefore I am taking all left hand side on the right hand side, or you can take right hand side on the left hand side also. It is your choice. Equation 3 is what? 0 plus b 2b by x cube minus d2y by dx square. Three equations I am going to solve. And I am using determinant. All these three equations are linearly expressed in terms of a and b. Okay, there should not be b square. There should be 1 by b. Okay, we don't want like that. We want linear equations in a and b, and we want to remove a and b. So what I am going to do, I am going to use the determinant method. All these three equations are linearly expressed in terms of a and b. Therefore, now the coefficient of a is x, coefficient of b is 1 by x, coefficient of, okay, this is the coefficient other than a and b. Coefficient of a is 1, coefficient of b is minus 1 by x square. Other than x, a and b is what? This thing. Coefficient of a is 0, coefficient of b is 2 by x cube, and other than a and b, this term is present. Okay, here in this determinant, we will find no a and b. A and b are absent. So try to solve it. That is the differential equation. Okay, you can solve this determinant very easily. Say x multiplied by Give this row and column. Minor of x means product of these two. 1 by x square d2y by dx square minus product of these two. Minus minus will be plus. I am writing directly because determinant in previous years you have had a lot of practice on the determinant. Product of these two minus product of these two. Okay, minus minus becomes plus now. Minus of second, minus by default, and minor of this term. Give this column and row. 1 into this minus product of these two minus product of these two. Product of these two is 0. Minus y, it's minor now. It's minor. Leave this column and go 1 into this is 2 by x cube minus product of these two is 0. Okay. Now try to simplify. Here x d2y by dx square. I am writing x d2y by dx square. X d2y by dx square I have written. See, this is x by x square is 1 by x. 1 by x, okay. 1 by x d2y by dx square. Then 2 by x square dy by dx. X multiplied by these two terms. Minus minus plus this term and this term is minus 2y by x cube. Okay. Now, this is the differential equation, but in order to get the most simplified answer, that these two terms are same, you can add 1 by x plus 1 by x is 2 by x d2y by dx square. Then 2 by x square dy by dx minus 2y by x cube. Okay. You can solve it further, means 2 is common, you can divide by 2, multiply by x cube because x cube variable is present in the denominator. So what I am going to, in order to remove 2, divide by 2 and multiply by x square. So this step I am going to write here. Okay, multiply by, because I am going to remove x cube from denominator and 2 from numerator. Multiply by x cube by 2. What will happen here? Then x cube by x is x square d2y by dx square. Then here x dy by dx. Here minus y is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the most simplified differential equation now. Solution is given and the differential equation is formed. See here, there are two general constants. The order of the differential equation is 2. Here one general constant, order of the differential equation is 1. Here single general constant, order of the differential equation is 1. Number of arbitrary constant or number of general constant you can say present in the differential equation is equal to order of the differential equation. This is the differential equation containing 4 general constants. Take derivative 4 times, differentiate with respect to x. Initially, derivative of x is 1, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of x cube is 3x square, derivative of 3 constants c4 is 0. Again take derivative, its derivative, derivative of c1 is 0, derivative of x is 1 is 2c1, 2c2 will remain, derivative of 3x square is what? 6x. Again take derivative, derivative of 3 constant is 0, derivative of x is 1. Again take derivative because 4 times derivatives you have to take its derivative and derivative of 3 constant is 0. Okay, this is the differential equation from this equation and this is the solution of differential equation. This is the differential equation itself. In this way we discussed the formation of differential equation. Hope you understood it. We stop here. Thank you very much.